Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best rear view mirror dash cam review in 2023. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. AXO D15 Rear View Mirror Dash Cam. The AXO D15 Dash Cam provide quad-core 1.5 GHz high-performance processor, incorporates Android 8.1 smart systems, plus it built-in RAM 2 GB, ROM 32 GB. It makes operating more smoothly and achieve multiple functions. It makes the car DVR runs more quickly. You can download any app from Google Play Store. It also this dash cam provide 12-inch touchscreen display. Super screen displays ideal for watching HD movies, playing games, browsing the web, or reading the graphics with bright colors, and provides detailed maps views. It also car DVR is FHD 1080 pixel video recorder, must use high quality class 10 TF card. Any low quality low speed TF card all can't support our DVRs work normally. If you can't make sure you have good TF card, please buy our original TF card together. It support 2 camera lens. Front camera lens is about 170 degree wide angle, and back camera lens is about 150 degree angle. Support picture-in-picture display. 2 camera lenses are recorded simultaneously. All videos save in TF card, thanks to Bluetooth hands-free. After pairing the Bluetooth between DVR and smartphone, you could make and receive calls directly from the mirror DVR itself with the built-in mic and speaker. If you are worried about your car being damaged by someone else after parking, you can use our hardwire kit to connect the DVR to ensure that the recorder works 24 hours. If someone else hurts your car and the shock triggers the G sensor, the DVR will immediately turn on and record the situation. Number 4. AXO A45 Rear View Mirror Dash Cam. The AXO A45 Rear View Mirror Dash Cam features 12-inch larger full touchscreen, screen resolution 1920 by 1080 pixels, and the mirror dash camera supports split-screen display. The touchscreen allows easy switch between rear and front views, or the split screen to view both. The front camera image sensor is Sony IMX335, and 6 lens quality offers non-deforming images, together with 170 degree wide angle. Captures the whole road's picture in 1440 pixel high resolution. It also A45 is equipped with this advanced streaming media technology, makes the driving rear view angle more widely. It is triple wide view angle than the traditional mirror. It also, when your car is subjected on an impact or other emergency, the G sensor is triggered so that the recorder immediately record and locks the video. The memory card is full, and the oldest video will be overwritten by the newly recorded video. However, videos under special conditions will not be overwritten. It also 24 hours parking monitoring system. If you are worried about your car being damaged by someone else after parking, you can use out line to connect the DVR to ensure that the record work 24 hours. If someone else hurts your car and the shock triggers the G sensor, the DVR will immediately turn on and record the situation. Number 3. AXO A37 Rear View Mirror Dash Cam. The AXO A37 Rear View Mirror Dash Cam has 10-inch touch IPS screen display with touch function. Get more convenience for operation. Get more higher resolution for videos or images. It also 170 degree angle front camera with 140 degree angle night vision rear view camera that allows for simultaneously recording videos from 2 different angles. 2 split view make you have clear view from front and backup camera. The front camera image sensor is Sony IMX335, and 6 lens quality offers non-deforming images, together with 170 degree wide angle. Captures the whole road's picture in 1440 pixel high resolution, and move the screen up or down to get more view. You can adjust the appropriate angle of view by long pressing the screen and moving your finger up and down. Gently swipe to switch views. You can control the DVR by connected mobile phone via Wi-Fi. Like recording video, the file recorded video from the overwriting taking photo, playback preview, parameter settings, etc. When the South Dakota card is full, it will cover the previous video file. To continue the recording, no need to manually delete the storage files frequently, but we recommend you to manually clean up the TF card memory occasionally to ensure it works properly, and also built-in G-sensor if collision occurred to the car. The backup cam mirror will automatically lock the special video file, which will not be covered by the loop recording and stored. Number 2. MAYO A20P Rear View Mirror Dash Cam. The MAYO A20P Rear View Mirror Dash provide 10-inch IPS touchscreen display with touch function. Get more convenience for operation. Get more higher resolution for videos or images display. The Dashcam 2.5D curved surface screen with 6 glass HD lens through the most too dark the screen of the active exposure adjustment, which is more detailed picture details the image clearer. Besides, 170-degree adjustable front angle lens and 140-degree rear angle lens ensure to reduce blind spot and capture more scene on the road. The car DVR's FHD 1080p video recorder must use high-quality Class 10 TF card. Any low-quality or low-speed TF card all can't support our DVRs work normally. If you can't make sure you have good TF card, please buy our original TF card together. It also built-in G-sensor, which will activate emergency recording and lock the videos when car detect a collision during driving and parking. Parking monitoring. Dashcam will automatically activate video recording and protect emergency files once a collision or scratch is detected during parking. Loop recording. Auto rewrite the oldest videos with new. Even when the South Dakota card is full, the Dashcam will continue recording. Number 1. 70 MAYO Rear View Mirror Dashcam. The 70 MAYO Rear View Mirror Dashcam a built-in 9.35-inch IPS screen and captures 2560 by 1600 pixel resolution videos at 30 fps. The screen continuously streams rear view so that you can clearly see what's behind. The Dashcam front and rear dual lenses camera with 1080 pixel front and rear cameras, wide records double vision live videos without any blind spot. Videos of both cameras are accessible in your South Dakota card at your will. The recordings are stored on a micro South Dakota card from 16 GB to 64 GB. Old recordings are automatically overwritten to make room for new ones. All videos can be easily viewed and downloaded using the app, available for both iOS and Android. The Dashcam records both front and rear videos, and when you put your car in reverse gear, the screen automatically switches to displaying the back of your car along with guidelines for ease of parking. The 70 MAYO Rear View Mirror Dashcam. Your car has 24-hour parking security. It automatically starts recording when the built-in G-sensor detects movement of the car. For example, in case of a collision, an on-screen message appears as soon as you return to your car.